Good morning, friends. On this Doctor's Day, I would like to congratulate and salute all the doctors, nursing staff, and healthcare workers who have put their own lives at risk to look after the seriously ill COVID patients. As the disease predominantly affects the elderly, the young doctors and the young staff nurses have put themselves forwards and taken over the mantle of looking after these sick patients. I think we all owe them gratitude and for their dedication and the hard work and effort that they have put into looking after these patients. Once again, I thank them and salute them for their effort and the tremendous amount of work that they have been doing and continue to do so as the disease continues to proceed relentlessly. We wish them all the very best for the future in looking after all these seriously ill patients. Thank you once again.
Friends, on this occasion of World Doctors' Day, I speak to you with a mixed feelings. Feeling of joy of having done our bit as doctors, but also feelings of concern because we are in the grip of a big pandemic which has spread across the world like a tsunami and afflicted mankind. And this RNA virus, which is an encapsulated virus, threatens to resist all measures that we take in our endeavors to control the disease. It has been a test for the doctors' endurance, commitment, and skills, along with a will to cure people. And in order to help the doctors to contain the disease, it's important that the larger population should also follow certain dictums which will help us prevent the spread of this diseases. And to develop this immunity, it's important that we should have good diet which contains to a large extent proteins and avoid too much of carbohydrates and oily things. The second thing is have plenty of fruits. It's very important, and some of the fruits have got antioxidant properties also. There are some trace elements which you can have like vitamin C, zinc, and also vitamin D, which helps us to build up our immunity. And it is important that we have a good sound 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours of good sleep and good peace so that your immunity also develops because of that. It's important that we should avoid or restrict alcohol and also avoid tobacco by way of cigarettes or in any form. And exercise is a very, very important thing, and it helps us to combat our disease abilities to a large extent. Exercise by way of pranayams, exercise by way of even walking does a lot of good. So it's important while we compliment our brethren, doctor brethren, in having coped up with this situation so far with lot of skill, with lot of abilities, and I hope that they will succeed. We all will succeed, and thank you so much.
It gives me great pleasure to greet you during these very hard times. COVID-19 has really changed the life of all the people around the world. We are no longer doing things the way we used to. We now have a lot of things to do so that we can remain safe. We need to maintain social distancing, keep hygienic conditions in place, wash our hands regularly, wear masks when we go out, and at the same time keep the elderly at home so that they are protected. It also gives me great pleasure to welcome and thank all my medical fraternity, especially the doctors, the nurses, and the other staff who have fought so bravely during these COVID times. And I wish them all the luck, and I hope that all of you do your duty by keeping at home as much as possible and only going out in times of dire emergency and required need. The more we take into account the fact that this is one of the most deadly pandemics, we will get over it better. Also, I must give you a note of hope and tell you that this pandemic will also pass, but we need to be safe and we also need to be clever to beat the pandemic. Thank you very much.
And 3. Hello friends, good morning. On the occasion of this Doctor's Day, 1st July, I, Dr. Suresh Savardekar, wish you all a better immunity and good health during these testing times of COVID-19. The best gift you can give to all the doctors is by keeping your family and yourself safe. By practicing precaution like social distancing, wearing masks, washing your hands regularly, and avoiding going out as far as possible. I also advise eating healthy food and exercise to keep yourself fit and fine. This is the only mantra to defeat COVID-19. On this occasion, I also appreciate the efforts of all my doctor colleagues for putting their tireless efforts towards fighting against COVID-19 and saving many lives of the patients. Thank you.
On this Doctor's Day on 1st July, I have some message for general public and friends. We are going through a bad time and pandemic of COVID. My earnest request to all the citizens is to practice self-distancing, to wear mask in public, and to wash your hands frequently. Keep your blood pressure and diabetes under control. If you have any fever, cough, breathlessness or sore throat, contact your doctor immediately. Don't panic. If you do this, it will help you to remain healthy, to keep your family healthy, keep your friends healthy and nation healthy. And we have to contribute, all of us, to pass through these difficult times. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kher from Chembur. I'm going to talk to you about this COVID-19. What is this COVID-19? It's a viral infection, like previously used to call it flu. The virus is new, and since it's a new virus, we don't have specific treatment and we don't have vaccination for it. Almost 80% of the patients who get this problem will suffer from mild cold, mild cough, and they will improve within 2 weeks. Only 15% of the patients will have some serious problems like breathlessness, chest pain, and these are the patients who will have to get admitted in the hospital for further treatment. Social separating, and by keeping our hands clean, avoiding keeping clean, using frequent soap wash, and frequently using alcohol-based sanitizers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashwini Patki Doshi, physician consultant from Mumbai on the occasion of Doctor's Day 2020, which has come in the midst of COVID pandemic and extended lockdown. First of all, I want to congratulate all the colleagues because they are working continuously since last more than 100 days, and it will be continued maybe for few more months against COVID war effortlessly and without tiring. And this what we are serving to the society is unbelievable, but we take it as our duty and it will be continued till we are going to win this war against COVID. I wish God gives us mental and physical strength to conquer this war against COVID. Simultaneously, I want to tell my all patients that their safety is important for us also, and for that they have to take simple precautions like washing hands frequently, wearing masks whenever they are going out, then informing us any of the symptoms of COVID immediately, keeping social distancing, avoiding social gatherings as much as possible, and please inform us the symptoms immediately, because then we can treat you immediately and we can cure you in maximum numbers, because your safety is our priority and we are always there to help you. With all these things, I am sure that soon we are going to conquer the war against COVID, which we have started in the beginning of this year. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Ketan K. Mehta, practicing physician at Mumbai. We all are passing through a difficult time in this COVID-19 pandemic. This is the time we realize that humans can also become helpless, including those from the most advanced countries of the world. But remember, after every darkness, there is a bright light. We all will overcome this phase. My only earnest request to you all to keep calm and obey government recommendations. Don't follow or chase the TV news for coronavirus. It is not a scorecard where you see number of cases versus number of deaths. Remove all negative thoughts from your mind. Try to spend some time for meditation, yoga, besides remaining active at home. Spend good quality time with family members. This time is not going to come back again. And for all those who are having any medical illnesses, be it diabetes, hypertension, asthma, cardiac ailment, please do continue to take your medicines regularly. So stay home and be safe. Thank you so much.
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे एवरीवन। डॉक्टर्स डे के दिन आप सब लोग मुझे विश करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उस विश के बदले में मैं आप लोगों से कुछ थोड़ा सा चाहती हूँ। प्लीज़ मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरे प्यारे पेशेंट्स, मेरी बात को समझने की कोशिश करिएगा। मेरी एक सिर्फ छोटी सी गुजारिश है आप सब लोगों से, आप जब भी कंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं अपॉइंटमेंट लीजिए, भले ही वो टेली कंसल्टेशन हो या ओपीडी कंसल्टेशन। आप अपॉइंटमेंट लेंगे तो मुझ जैसे सब डॉक्टर्स के लिए काम बहुत इजी हो जाएगा। मैं अपने कन्वीनियंट टाइम पर, कंफर्टेबल टाइम पर क्वालिटी टाइम आपको दे पाऊँगी। जब भी आप ऐसा अपॉइंटमेंट लें, आप फ़ोन के आसपास अवेलेबल रहें और अपनी सब डाउट्स, सब क्वेरीज, सब रिपोर्ट्स मैसेज करने के बाद लिख कर रखें एक पेपर पर, ताकि और साथ में पुराना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी, ताकि कुछ भी डाउट, कन्फ्यूजन हो तभी के तभी सॉल्व हो जाए। अगर आप अकेले इस चीज़ को नहीं कर सकते हैं तो टेली कंसल्टेशन के बाद साथ में उस समय अपने पास किसी और को अवेलेबल रखिए। अगर आप अपॉइंटमेंट से क्लिनिक पे आ रहे हैं तो हैंड हाइजीन, सोशल डिस्टेंस और अगेन सब अपनी क्वेरीज लिखी हुई रहे वो लेकर आइए अपने साथ में, ताकि आप कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट भूल ना जाएं और आपको कोई डाउट्स नहीं। एक और छोटी सी बात, अगर आपके डॉक्टर आपको कुछ बता रहे हैं प्लीज़ ध्यान से सुनिए। आपने गूगल में क्या पढ़ा है, आपको व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस में क्या आया है, इसके लिए आपकी उसमें क्या राय है, आपका कोई दूसरा पेशेंट कोविड के साथ एडमिट हुआ, उसकी तबीयत कैसी है, उसको क्या ट्रीटमेंट दी गई थी, प्लीज़ वो डिस्कस ना करें। इतने सारे मास्क और शील्ड के साथ अगर आप वो सब बातें डिस्कस करेंगे तो आपकी जो पर्सनल डाउट्स रहेंगे, क्वेरीज रहेंगी, वो साइड में रह जाएगी। थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर, स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय।
Dear friends, this COVID season is an extraordinary situation which nobody in this century has almost those who are living have faced. Now all the patients who are getting admitted, not all are critical, they all require empathy, your support. Those patients who are critical in the ICU on ventilator, they require more support, and actually in this situation lot of people are spending extra cost. While you serve your patients, it is important that you take care of yourself, maintain all the basic things like social distancing, wear PPE kit, take care of yourself. But while you are treating the patient, always follow a little extra care to take care of yourself and your family, because there are not too many doctors in India, and where the number of doctors are less, if the doctors fall ill and if doctors succumb, then India will have more kind of different disasters. My advice is, while you serve your patient, wear more ornaments of empathy, gratitude, and serve your patients, because a lot of patients are confused. Not all patients require hospitalization, so those who can be treated on OPD basis, on day-to-day follow-up basis, you can be treating those patients and try to counsel them. Give more time to the patients in counseling, because they are afraid. It is not COVID, but the fear of the COVID which is actually causing more disaster in the community. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Raman Shroy, practicing physician, dermatologist in Mumbai. I'm attached to Fortis Hospital, Hiramurti Navneet Hospital in Northeast, and Ashirwad Hospital. hard against all the doctors who have been working selflessly towards serving the nation. I would like to once again thank all of them from my heart. Happy Doctors Day. I would like to request all people to be safe, maintain social distance, wash their hands regularly, and wear a mask so that they can protect themselves and everybody around them against corona. Thank you.
1st July every year is being celebrated as Doctors' Day. We are in the middle of corona pandemic, but we are forgetting about one more pandemic which has been going on for decades and affecting billions of people, and that is the pandemic of hypertension. Please do take your BP medicines regularly. The best gift you can give it to your doctor during this pandemic time is to reduce the number of corona cases. Please do not go out of home unless it is absolutely necessary. Use mask, wash your hands repeatedly, and maintain social distancing. That is the best thing you can do for your doctor. My sincere thanks to all the doctors who are working in corona unit. They have been overburdened but working very hard. May God bless you and give you lots of immunity to save you and your family members. Thank you so much.
All my colleagues, my countrymen, my brothers, sisters, friends, everybody in the public life outside, to keep a physical distancing. I would not say social distancing, but I would call it as a physical distancing, along with taking a lot of precautions that they are not exposed to coronaviruses. So in view of this, it is better to protect our life in a good manner and prevent a calamity in our life which will disaster and complicate our family life. I would request to walk on the same path of service, help the society maximum, take mutual care, and see that we pass on to the good time, crossing over this bad time of corona and save our lives. With this, I wish good luck for everybody, good health, good immunity, and happiness. Thank you very much. All the best.
Hello friends, on the occasion of this Doctor's Day, 1st July, I, Dr. B.K. Mahavarkar, wish you all better immunity and good health. During these testing times of COVID-19, the best gift you can give all the doctors is by keeping your family and yourself safe, by practicing precautions like social distancing, wearing mask, washing your hands regularly, and avoid going out as far as possible. On this occasion, I also appreciate the efforts of all my doctor colleagues for putting their tireless efforts towards fighting against COVID-19 and saving many lives. Thank you and happy Doctor's Day.
Hello friends, on the occasion of 1st July, that is Doctor's Day, I, Dr. Mangesh Tivaskar, wish you all a great immunity and a healthy life. In this war against COVID, the best gift that you can offer to your doctor colleagues and friends and all the healthcare providers is by following and practicing the precautions like social distancing, hand hygiene, wearing mask, and avoid traveling unnecessarily. I also would like to pray and request you all to please not to fall prey to the rumors on the social media. In this testing time of COVID-19, I also would like to congratulate all my colleagues, doctors and all the healthcare providers for their untiring efforts in war against corona. Let's heal India. Let's help India. Thank you. Happy Doctors Day.
Good afternoon, dear friends. Wishing all doctors a very happy Doctors Day today, especially to the COVID warriors who are tirelessly doing duty without worrying about their own health. Hats off to them. Happy Doctors Day to all and to all other doctors around the world. I urge you, dear friends, in this very difficult time, to take care, stay at home amidst this pandemic, go out only if absolutely necessary, and when you go out, wear a mask and keep washing your hands regularly or sanitizing them, and maintain adequate social distancing, because prevention of this horrible disease is much better than cure. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Dr. Siddharth Lakhani, consultant nephrologist practicing in the city of Mumbai. So here on the occasion of Doctors Day, happy Doctors Day to all my colleagues who have been working very hard. It's a tough COVID pandemic times. So I think let us keep the fight on. Corona हारेगा, हम जीतेंगे. So let's fight Corona and let's have the best results soon so that we will be Corona or COVID pandemic free. Thank you so much.
On this occasion, I pay my tribute to Dr. Bidhan Chandra and salute to our all doctor fraternity for their spirit of service during this critical time and putting their tireless effort for fighting COVID-19 and saving many lives. We have to live with this virus and we have to teach our patients for social distancing, that is no gaj duri, repeated hand sanitization and wearing a mask, and tell our senior citizen not to come out from the residence unless it is an emergency. On this day of Doctor's Day, I pray God for good health of everyone, including us and our patients. Sarve Santu Niramaya.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अनिल शर्मा, प्रोफेसर एंड हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल, और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एक महामारी की जिसका नाम है नोवल कोरोना या कोविड-19, जो कभी कभी जानलेवा भी साबित हो सकती है। 70 से 80% लोगों में इस बीमारी में कोई या तो लक्षण नहीं होते हैं या मामूली बुखार खांसी होती है। 20 से 30% लोगों में तेज बुखार, खांसी या सांस की तकलीफ हो सकती है। कुछ लोगों में सिर में दर्द, पेट में दर्द, लूज मोशन, टेस्ट चेंज होना या सूंघने की शक्ति बदल जाना, इस तरह के लक्षण हो सकते हैं। इनमें से कोई भी लक्षण आए तो अपने नजदीकी डॉक्टर के पास जाइए और उनकी सलाह लीजिए आगे करना क्या है। अब इस बात का आगे ध्यान रखें कि और क्या करना है हमको। लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करनी पड़ेगी। क्या करना है लाइफस्टाइल के अंदर? गुस्सा, टेंशन, तंबाकू, स्मोकिंग, शराब से दूर रहना है। करना क्या है? हरी सब्जी, सलाद, फल, दालें और स्प्राउट या अंकुरित चीजों का उपयोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा करना है। खास तौर पे हल्दी, तुलसी, लौंग, इन चीजों का उपयोग हम अधिक करें। 30 मिनट तक प्रतिदिन व्यायाम करें या योग का अभ्यास करें, मेडिटेशन करें, कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम करें, रस्सी कूद सकते हैं, जॉगिंग कर सकते हैं। घर से बाहर अगर जाना पड़े तो सावधानी रखिए, सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी, डरना मना है। भारत जीतेगा, कोरोना हारेगा। जय महाराष्ट्र, जय।